In this video, I would like to share with you one of the recent incidents that happened to one of our long-term clients where we were trying to help them finding the production employees in their manufacturing unit. So we helped them finding the right candidates with the help of performance recruiting. And in this video, I would like to share how was our thought process in order to face the challenges that we faced in the recent months in order to find the employees for them. So before getting into that story, I would like to share what exactly is performance recruiting. So performance recruiting is a term that comes from the performance marketing, where you try to find your clients or your target segment customers with the help of social media marketing, whether it can be doing the marketing using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, you name it. So this is what it's called performance recruiting. So in performance recruiting, what we do is that we run ads in all these social media platforms to get the applicants for the position that a particular company is looking at. With this recent story I wanted to share in this video, so we are serving one of the manufacturing companies in near Freiburg region, and we have been partners, like recruitment partners for them since this year, since the month of January. As soon as we start a new project, we always follow the structure or process where we understand the company, where we understand what are the benefits of the job, we understand what is something that is marketable, then come up with different ads which can be placed in different social media platforms and start to get candidates. We did this process like for every customer that we do, and in the month of January and February we were getting really nice candidates, and our candidates to the amount of candidates that we get to the amount of candidates that we submit to our client was about 20% in the month of Jan and February. So in the month of March, although the amount of applicants that we started to get raised 100x, or raised, has become twice, the client submission rate has dropped to 1/3, which is from 20% to 8%. So this was something that we're not feeling comfortable. That's why I started to dig deep into the data and try to understand what was happening here. So the major two learnings that I found out was, the first one being that the amount of candidates that we were getting, our share of candidates that we're getting from different countries in the Europe, has shifted in the Facebook and Instagram marketing, and that has resulted in us getting more unqualified leads compared to the less qualified leads. And then we started, or like in the month of Jan and February, we were running a regional campaign where the company is located, and slowly we shifted to Germany wide, and this has resulted us in getting a lot of candidates who were actually a good fit for the position, but what we realized is that they were not willing to move from different parts of Germany to the location where the job has to be done. So these two learnings is what we learned from this data analysis, and from this we implemented our the iteration strategy, such that we could able to get a high quality leads, or the candidates. So after doing this iteration since 10 days or so, we started to get more and more qualified applicants. Now again we are back on track in submitting the candidates which our clients are looking for. So the story why I wanted to share this is because with the help of performance recruiting, what is something that is very powerful compared to the traditional hiring, where you just take the job description and put it into the job portals and pray to get the candidates, is you have very much less under your control to get the candidates for the job that are available in the market. So but with performance recruiting, what happens is that there are so many things that are in your control to get the candidates, and that is what we as Destination Germany try to take care of, and work with different variables, understand different metrics, understand different KPIs, and make sure that we get a lot of candidates such that we can send you only the ones which are very much fitting to the job role. So that is something that I wanted to share in this video, where I give a bit of perspective on what performance recruiting is and how we at Destination Germany leverages performance recruiting to help our clients get the candidates that they can go ahead and hire. So far for this company, in the last 3 months, we could able to submit lots of candidates, and out of that we could able to manage to hire like 6 candidates so far. Like the six of them got placed, and who are from all over Europe. So this is the power of performance recruiting. And if you are a company who is looking for people like in the area of logistics, in the area of manufacturing, and if you are someone who is also looking for IT candidates all over the world, like English speaking IT candidates, then performance recruiting is something that can deliver results. And if you are having problems or if you need support, then feel free to contact us. And us being the experts in this field, where we have helped multiple clients of ours in the last 2 years, I think we can help you out as well in solving your hiring problems. So just feel free to contact us. Destinationgermany.de is our website. Just go into the website and see who are the companies that we have helped so far. And if that is convincing for you, then go ahead and send us your contact details, and we'll be more than happy to help you out with your hiring problems. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if that is something that you liked and if the information was helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button, and this helps me to create more content like. Until next time, have a good one.